What's up guys, welcome back. Huggy Wuggy's Chapter 5 jump scare. Pretty much like the Chapter 1 jump scare, except like his mouth is like a bit more detailed. And of course he's like damaged Huggy Wuggy, so there's stitching and all that kind of stuff on him. Right, so pretty much straightforward. You would do his mouth first, and like the top half of his head is like real small, like where his eyes are. Like they're real teeny weeny. So like the mouth takes up like from there to there, I'd say, because he's about to eat you. So this goes this way. This is like the top line of his mouth, so that's the edge, and then the other side you go like across that top part. It's kind of bumpy. And then down. Okay, so that's like the shape for his mouth. And then we'll go for the inside line for the lip. Right, so because it's damaged to Huggy Wuggy, we gotta like damage his lips. So he has like little sort of chunks taken out of them every now and then, like burns and like bits of skin ripped off. And then sometimes like you got these curved lines just on the lips, just to show that it's a curvy object. You just do these as much as you want. Okay, so his eye, before I do the teeth, we'll just get like his eyes in the right spot. So you just have them like right here, and they're only like half of his eyes. You don't see the full circle because he's looking down. And then there's like fur lines just cutting off the bottom of the eye. And then we have the black circle inside. And same on the other side, so you do another semicircle just here. And we got like lots of fur. Like in there. And of course that's the black part, so you color that black. Sometimes he has eyelashes, sometimes not. But I think in this one he does, so sometimes I see him in the video game without the eyelashes. So I don't really know when he's supposed to have them or not. But they're there this time. Right, so we'll try for the teeth. So 2 layers. So we'll go first layer. So small teeth on the edges, on the corners, and then they get kind of bigger. And not only do they get bigger, but you can see the gum sticking out, like so, like the gum line in behind. And there's 2 real big ones here. And then they gradually get smaller as we go back. Down there. Right, so the layer down here, so again with big ones in the middle. There's like a square one, like a normal tooth, like a molar. And then we got some spikies. You do the gums in between. And then keep adding the teeth all around here. And like every now and then you'll get like a flat one, followed by a spiky one, and then maybe a flat one again. Okay, so the second layer. So there's flat ones in there as well. So it's like in here, right? We'll start adding these teeth. That's like the top, and you know, it's kind of like a hole in his mouth, so there's gum lines around it. There's like a flat one here. And spiky ones. And then there's like lots of like skin lines just going around the roof of his mouth. And you could like texture that up as much as you could go texture lines in there, but I'll probably just cut it out really dark instead of doing more skin. Right, so just like his fur, so like we can't see much fur down the bottom. Just keep spiking it all the way. Add some fur lines inside here as well. Okay, so what we can see, just arms coming out here, and again, everything's sort of furry and spiky. The other side. And then he has damaged parts, so we've got the bandage just strapped across his belly here. And then his arm, like the inside of his arm. That way, and then the belly that comes across underneath that one, or the strap that comes across the belly underneath this there. What's on his chin? Like something on his chin. But there's fur, like a gap in the fur, right? Here, and then there's these like little ropes, like holding in everything, basically. And there's something similar here. And I think that's it. So, damaged Huggy Wuggy's jump scare in chapter 5. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.